This is Skylark of Dartmouth, a Neel 51 sailing trimaran, and we are Annabelle and Nick, living differently, sailing and exploring as we go.
We love the freedom this lifestyle gives us, but once we arrive somewhere, getting around can be challenging, especially in remote areas where there is no public transport.
We rarely use marinas where you can simply step onto a pontoon and walk to shops, bars, restaurants, or even hire a car for a day out. We much prefer unspoilt, tranquil anchorages, getting ashore by kayak, paddleboard, or our tender Rebel. To give us travel independence, we considered both e-scooters and folding e-bikes, deciding ultimately that cycles would give the best flexibility. We needed folding bikes compact enough to fit into the dinghy, as light as possible but with larger wheels for comfort, supportive seats, panniers for carrying capacity, and a good range with a lockable battery. Overall, Estarli fitted our needs perfectly.
We store the e-bikes in a big locker at the stern of the yacht. If we are in a marina, we can pass them ashore easily, but if not, we carefully load them onto the dinghy. The bags are an essential item for us. They allow easier carrying and give some protection from spray. If we can, we will use a jetty, but in off-grid places we look for a suitable spot where one of us can jump ashore and carry the e-bikes up a beach or slipway.
Everywhere we cycle seems to be uphill, perhaps not surprising given that we always start at sea level. Cycling the craggy coastal roads and visiting hilltop villages to get a different perspective would not be possible without the assistance the e-bikes provide. We're reasonably fit, but are no Tour de France athletes.
The e-bikes are also great for general shopping. The panniers are a good size, allowing us to carry more than we could on foot.
We're just a year and a half into our big adventure, but are really pleased with how our Estarli bikes are functioning. We simply couldn't have got to some of the places the bikes have taken us, so our overall cruising experience is far richer because of them. They are a great addition to our cruising life, and we look forward to many years of service from them.